One of the most asked questions I get is, where do I get my pom-poms? I make my own pom-poms. I'm going to show you how I make them. I purchased my fur from Amazon or Joann's. What you want to do is cut a 6x6 template out and just cut along the template of your fur. You'll need some thread and a needle, and I just go ahead and make a double knot, and I'm just going to thread all the way around the square. There's no rhyme or reason. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Now that we're getting to the end, go ahead and cinch it close, and you're going to want to add your polyfill. I get mine from Walmart or Joann's. I just fill it until it's full. I don't weigh it or anything like that. Go ahead and close up the hole, weave in your ends. I like to go through all the gaps if there's any, and then I double knot it a couple times. And that's literally it, you guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thanks so much for watching.